For Google Solution Challenge, we have done our project on voter verification system, which is based on Election Commission of India. In the recent times, the current problems that we are facing in the election of India are voter identity and authentication issues, fake or duplicate voter IDs, impersonation at polling booths, lack of robust biometric verifications, and we face also other problems such as long queues and waiting times, poor queue management at booths, and inadequate staff or infrastructure. Elderly or disabled voters are also facing such problems. For this solution, we built our model, and here the operator first need to log in with his username and password. After that, if he or she is not registered, then he or she should use the in case the user is not verified, then he or she should register through various credentials, and then he will move to the verification part and live vote tracking part. In this part, we have applied our age. For the voter verification part, the voter needs to first verify his or her voter ID card. From that, we will get the required biometrics such as iris as well as fingerprint, and we will keep those data in our database and system. We will be using these data for various verification processes. For age of in this system, we have applied an age limit criteria. Suppose the voter age is 60 and above, then due to age issues, the iris as well as the fingerprint becomes dissolved to some extent. So for that, we will be using the face recognition so that we can verify the voter. In this case, the age is 53, so age limit has not yet crossed, so we can check for fingerprint as well as iris scanner. First, we will check the iris scanner. So for that, we will be using our AI/ML model that will be opening the iris. Verify voters iris through our iris algorithm that we have provided here. For that, the fetch details from the voter ID card will be displayed, and we will fetch those information from our database. After getting the required detail, we will be using that and checking with real-time camera that will be applied through the algorithm. Here we have applied that iris image, and now it will be checking with the voter. Now the camera will be opened for checking the image pattern that are present in our iris, and will give the required information to the algorithm that will check with the required image that we have gathered in our database. Now you can see that the camera has been opened and it's verifying the iris. As the iris is not matching because he is a different person, so the match found is 0. So the voter is not verified, and we are getting the information that failed to fetch. Now we will move to the next step for checking the fingerprint. In this, we will be checking through the same process of finding the particular pattern that are present in our finger. For that, we will fetching the details of the fingerprint from the database, and using that we will be checking. Here the fingerprint is not matched, so is given failed to fetch. Hence the person is not verified. So our system is providing the required problems that had not been solved by the current voting system, such as voter identity and authentication issues. It's also giving details such as live vote tracking, that how much people have given vote and how much people has came. Here we have implemented another function in our system, like live voter tracking, that will keep count of the total number of voters